Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create account on Duolingo. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to create an account on Duolingo. It is because you want to learn a new language, or maybe you're new to a language so you just want to explore it, therefore you are looking for it. Or there could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed Duolingo from App Store or Google Play Store. After that, just simply tap on its icon to open the app, and then you will see its interface. This is how the app opens, and after that it will ask you for an option like if you already have an account or you want to create an account. So we are here to create an account, so therefore we have to select this first option which says get started. Once you tap on it, you will get into the second step. From there it will again ask you for few questions. You just have to keep answering it. Here the app's character is introducing itself to you, so you just have to simply click on continue to get onto the next step. Again you have to click on continue because we have just started creating an account. Now it will ask you that which language you would like to learn. So here about 20 to 15 languages available. So from these languages, which language you want to learn, you just have to simply click on it and that language will be selected. Whatever language you would like to learn, or maybe you're learning or you just want to grow into that language, you just have to simply click on it and then click on continue. After that it will show you that how many people learn this language on Duolingo app, and after that it will ask you that where did you learn or where did you get heard about the Duolingo app. So you can choose any one of these options. Wherever you have learned, you just have to simply tap on that option and after that on this option. After that it will ask you that how much you have learned that language, if you are new, if you are learning it, or maybe you know a bit of it. So you can choose any one of these options according to your level in that language. It's all up to you. Here we have four options. Just simply click any option and it option will be get selected. After that it will ask you for more questions. Just keep clicking on next, and after that it will ask you that why would you like to learn the language, what is the reason, what is the purpose for you to learn that language. So from all these options, select any one of these options and then you will get onto the next step. Here it will ask you many questions. You just have to keep answering them so your account will be created. Now it is showing that what benefits you will get through this app, and here you can manage how much long would you like to use Duolingo for a day. You can choose any one of these options. You just have to keep clicking on continue because it is asking so many questions. We just have to simply answer it, and if you want to allow any one of these options, allow it, otherwise you can skip it. Here you have to select if you want to start from scratch or maybe you want to start with a bigger level. And here you can see the app account is successfully created and it is now ready to use. Just click on this option and now you can learn the language, can get more proficiency on the language by using Duolingo app. This was the easiest way I know through which you can create an account on Duolingo. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.